Shake effect tutorial in Premiere Pro. Let's see the demo first, right? Just play it, and this is the effect, right? Now let's see how to do that. Click this new item, then click adjustment layer. You will get adjustment layer there, right? Just drag it and place it in video 2, right? Now click the adjustment layer, then go to effect controls, and you are seeing here directional blur effect is applied. Now where to get that? Go to effects, search for directional blur. You will get in blur and sharpen directional blur. Just drag it, click and drag it and drop it in the adjustment layer, right? Then go to effect controls. You will get the blur length. Just change it 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, the value you need. In my case I placed 25, right? Just place it as you need. Then go to timeline, and you are seeing here the cut is ready. Just let me bring this and just increase its timing, right? Now place the slider in the position and press shift and right arrow, right? See the demo, see, and just make a cut there. Then again press shift plus right arrow, then again make the cut, right? So keep on doing that as per your requirement, and just delete the middle part as you are seeing here, right? And use the sound effect and your video will be ready. You can see the demo here again.